Talk 23, Screwdrivers, Use and Abuse. Today we talk about screwdrivers. You might think screwdrivers are not dangerous. That's partly true. But even small injuries can become serious if ignored. Screwdrivers are often misused and abused. How we use them shows our care for safety and work quality. Being careful with screwdrivers means being careful with all tools. A skilled worker keeps tools in good condition and uses them correctly. The right tool, used the right way, prevents accidents. The first concern, the condition of the screwdriver. The handle must be smooth, not damaged or slippery. It should fit comfortably in the hand. The blade must be straight and firmly attached to the handle. The tip must fit perfectly in the screw slot. This applies to flat and Phillips screwdrivers. Most accidents happen when the tip does not fit correctly. The screwdriver must stand in the slot by itself. Many injuries happen when the screwdriver slips. Never hold the workpiece in one hand while turning the screwdriver with the other. A puncture between tendons and bones can damage fingers or wrist movement. To use screwdrivers safely. Keep them in good condition. Use the correct screwdriver for the job. Ensure it fits well in the screw. Place the object on a workbench. Use the screwdriver carefully.